Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to add subtitles in Netflix and how to watch any movie or TV show with subtitles with the language that you want. So it's very easy to do it. You have just to go to Netflix, open the app. After that, go to any TV show. For example, I will go to this one, click on play. And to activate the subtitles, you have an option below called audio and subtitles. You have to click on it. If you find it off, you can choose any subtitle you want with any language that you want. And for example, I will choose Arabic, click on it. And as you can see now, there will be like subtitles in Arabic and I can watch Netflix with Arabic subtitles. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you